The Oricom UHF 2190 is the perfect way to keep in touch whenever you're heading out on a trip. Inside, you've got two of the 2-watt 80-channel handheld UHF radios, belt clips, plus a double charging dock and AC adapter. And of course, rechargeable batteries are included. You can use standard AAA batteries too, so you can pack spares in your kit. These UHF radios have 80 channels and 2 watts of transmitting power with Duplex range extending technology for massive range. Plus, they're packed with other features, like a backlit screen for easy reading, dual channel watch, automatic squelch, and even a built-in FM radio and LED torch. These are perfect to keep in your car for recoveries, to give to the kids so you can keep in touch around camp, or just as a spare for big trips. They even have a 3-year warranty. For a great value UHF twin pack, you can't beat the Oricom UHF 2190, and they're super affordable from 4-wheel drive Supacentre.